So it's now near the end of October. Progress has been reasonably slow this year, and there's lots that's happened between when we started in February and now, and I'll be going through that over some of the coming videos. But we are heading towards floor level. Life has been pretty busy this year, so there'll be another couple of videos getting us up to this point, and they will include the driveway, macerator, soakaway, and the first pour for the subfloor, and then we'll have a look at the plans and what we're looking to actually build here as well. Well, here we are. It's the 2nd of February 2019, and we got planning permission 2 days ago. So today we are out here to make a start on the gardening, to try and find our building plot under the rhododendron. So this is the entrance into the site. So far we've removed some of the existing wall, which just went down through and on. So the driveway will be going down through here. we have just about finished getting rid of all of the laurel and the rhododendron that was here. Over the next couple of weeks, we've got a stump grinding company, Buster Stump, are coming in. They're going to be here for about a fortnight to deal with all of these rhododendron roots, the stump by the road, and a couple of the laurel stumps that are down next to the well. Other things that happened this week were we had the boreholes done for the window piling done to see how much soil we have here. So we've got five locations. There's one of them. Nice 3-meter deep hole there. We had to mark out the position for the window sampling, avoiding all of the tree root protection zones, because we're not allowed to work in the tree root protection zones without the arborist being here. So we got 5 of those window holes so that they could work out exactly what we're going to be doing with the foundations. The other meeting that we had this week was from the local water board to sort out how we were going to put water to the house. And the result of that was that we're not going to have mains water. There is the local regulations require a 750mm trench, so over 2 foot deep, all the way through, that can be inspected from the mains to the house. And even if we used a mole system, they would want regular pits so they could check that the depth is at 750mm. Well, that is not going to happen with all of these trees here. I've got no, we have a tree preservation order, but this whole site, I want to keep the trees. I don't want to harm the trees. If I'd had any wish to harm the trees, I would have done it long before putting planning permission in. So yeah, I've got no intention of killing the trees, so we're going to do something else. So in the bottom of the garden there is a well, and this well used to supply the water for the local big house, as well as the rectory and other cottages, where they used to come and draw the water from the well, and the big houses had it piped. So here is the well, and I need to clean it out a bit because it's in a pretty poor state now, because it's not been looked after for at least 50 years since we've lived here. So a couple of hours ago I put a pump down, and the pump has been flowing at that speed now for a good couple of hours, and it went down really quite quickly to start with, but it stopped at the point where the bricks are, and it doesn't matter how fast I pump with this one pump, it ain't going no further. So I'm going to have to get another 1 or 2 pumps and try pumping it out quicker so that I can clean it out. So the plan is off-grid water, and we took a small sample when we started pumping it today, and it is crystal clear. So hopefully that plan works out. The other update that we've had is the electricity board came, and we have identified how we're going to run the power. We've had a quote, and that has all worked out well. So we have an electric pole here. There is sufficient capacity for me to have power from that. So we've just got to dig a trench from that pole round to the house. So that should be nice and simple.